Peggy 18.
Meet Ratbag.
Oh! You bastards! Nah! When I am war chief, these birds will feast on your guts!
A lowly orc soldier,
Get lost, scum!
destined for death.
Now, what would you know that all these other dead orcs didn't?
Ratbag can teach you the ways of the orc. Wait, you call this a duel? No! I call this losing a duel, you glob!
But with a little help from you.
We'd better hurry, or he'll lose his head. Awfully tempting, isn't it?
That didn't hurt at all.
He may be useful.
Once the war chief hears of my victory, he'll make me his personal bodyguard.
And how does this help me?
A backstabbing bodyguard?
You make sure you keep your head on your neck this time.
Yeah, well, that's my plan. Yeah.
You can take him from an orc that snivels and whines.
Make sure you show up to take the place of the dead war chief.
But the war chief's not dead.
I'm going to go kill him!
Oh, good plan!
To a mighty war chief.
Finally. Ratbag is war chief!
That snivels and whines.
I just thought that we...
Orcs.